Excited. I am excited. Exercise. I exercise every day. I. Close your eyes. Face. Wash your face. Family. I love my family. Famous. She is a famous singer. Fan. I need a fan. Far. The park is far. Farm. We visit a farm. Farmer. The farmer grows rice. Fast. He runs very fast. Father. My father is tall. Favorite. Red is my favorite color. February. My birthday is in February. Feel. I feel happy today. 15. I am 15 years old. 15th. Today is the 15th. 5th. This is the 5th book. 50th. It is his 50th birthday. 50. There are 50 students. Film. We watch a film. Find. I found my keys. Fine. I am fine, thank you. Fire. Do not play with fire. First. I am first in line. Fish. I like fish. 5. I have 5 apples. Floor. Sit on the floor. Flower. This flower is pretty. Fly. Birds can fly. Food. I like Chinese food. Foot. My left foot hurts. Football. We play football. 4. This gift is for you. 40th. Today is the 40th day of school. 40. There are 40 desks. 4. I have 4 books. 14. She is 14. 14th. Today is the 14th. 4th. He is 4th in class. Free. Are you free now? Friday. We have PE on Friday. Friend. She is my best friend. From. I am from China. Front. Stand at the front. Fruit. I eat fruit every day. Game. Let's play a game. Garden. Flowers grow in the garden. Get. I got a new book. Gift. This gift is nice. Girl. The girl is reading. Give. Please give me a pen. Glass. Drink a glass of water. Go. Let's go to school. Good. You did a good job. Goodbye. Goodbye, see you. Grandfather. My grandfather tells me stories. Grandmother. My grandmother cooks well. Grape. I like purple grapes. Grass. Do not walk on the grass. Great. That is a great idea. Green. The leaf is green. Hair. She has long hair. Half. I eat half an apple. Hand. Raise your hand. Happy. I am happy today. Hard. This question is hard. Have, has. I have a bike. He is my brother. Head. Nod your head. Healthy. Eating fruit is healthy. Hear. I can hear music. Heavy. This box is heavy. Hello? Hello, how are you? Help. Please help me. Helpful. You are very helpful. Her. This is her bag. Here. Come here, please. Hi. Hi, Tom. Hill. We climb the hill. Him. I see him. His. This is his book. Holiday. Happy holiday. Home. I go home at 5. Hometown. My hometown is small. Horse. The horse runs fast. Hospital. She works in a hospital. Hot. It is hot today. Hour. Wait 1 hour. House. Our house is big. How are you? 100. 100 birds fly. 100th. This is the 100th day of school. Hungry. I am hungry now. Hurry. Please hurry up. Hurt. My arm hurts. Ice. The ice is cold. Ice cream. I like ice cream. Idea. I have a good idea. Ill. She feels ill today. In. The cat is in the box. Interesting. This book is interesting. Internet. I use the internet. It is a dog. It's. The dog wags its tail. January. School starts in January. Job. My dad has a job. Juice. I drink orange juice. July. It is hot in July. Jump. I can jump high. June. June is warm. Keep. Keep your desk clean. Kid. The kid is happy. Kind. She is very kind. Kitchen. Mom is in the kitchen. Kite. I fly a kite. No. I know the answer. Lake. There are fish in the lake. Last night I slept well. Late. Do not be late. Learn. I learn English. Left. Turn left here. Leg. My leg is long. Lesson. We have an English lesson. Let me help you. Letter. I write a letter. Library. I read in the library. Light. Turn on the light. I like apples. Lion. The lion is the king of the jungle. Listen. Listen to the teacher. Little. I have a little dog. Live. I live in Beijing. Long. She has long hair. Look. Look at the bird. Lot. I have a lot of books. Love. I love my family. Lovely. What a lovely day. Lunch. We eat lunch at noon. Make. Let's make a cake. Man. The man is a teacher. Many. I have many friends. Map. Look at the map. March. It is windy in March. Maths. Maths is interesting.